In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a passkey for your Binance account in 2025 using your website app. Passkeys are a secure, passwordless authentication method that greatly reduce the risk of phishing by relying on cryptographic keys stored on your device. It's an excellent way to enhance the security of your Binance account, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. It's easier than you might think. First, we'll need to access your Binance account on a desktop. Start by logging into your account on Binance.com. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on your profile. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll navigate to the Account section and then select Security. This path leads us to the area where we'll set up your passkey, a crucial tool for your online security. In the Security section, locate the Passkeys or Biometrics section and click on the Manage option. Here, an Add Passkey button will be visible. By clicking it, you may be prompted to complete two-factor authentication. This might involve entering a code sent to your registered mobile number or email. This extra layer of security ensures it's really you who is making these changes. A browser pop-up will now appear. This is where you'll confirm your email address and choose your passkey storage method. Let's explore the options available to you. If you're using a browser like Chrome, you can choose to confirm with biometrics or a password that you already use. Once confirmed, your passkey will be stored locally on your device. This means that the security information remains only accessible from the device on which you're setting up the passkey. Alternatively, you might prefer to use Google Password Manager. In this case, choose the option Save Another Way, followed by Google Password Manager. This option allows you to create and sync your passkey automatically with your Google account. It's a seamless way of managing passwords, and it ensures that your passkey is accessible through whichever device you are logged into with your Google account. Lastly, there's the option of using a USB security key or a different device entirely. To do this, choose Use a different phone, tablet, or security key. You will then be prompted to either insert or tap your security key. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code displayed on your screen to complete the setup process. This method is perfect if you prefer to keep your keys on a separate piece of hardware or another device for added security. Once you've completed these steps, your passkey will be successfully added. This allows for a streamlined login experience as well as secure verification processes that minimize phishing risks. By implementing a passkey, you're taking a proactive step in safeguarding your Binance account and embracing a more secure, efficient way of managing your online identities.